Sure, Lulu Tana sisini. Yima awuzwakali ukuthi uthini?
Kuzale?
Ini?
Awusiya.
I said thank you. And now it's gone.
Ukamu, what? Akukhonakali.
It's true. Ululu fonela Sam.
Do you really think I give a damn about the family's reputation? Why? Because he was unhappy. He was unhappy because he was a Moroka. Because why? Baha Moroka, they are cursed. Put that in your statement.
Ngazi mokukhanya nje amehla kuvuk nje qha. Gcwala imsebela ngelonke ikamera leli.
Angikuzwanga mabuya izolo ebusuku.
Ya man, sithando sami. Bengifuna ngempela ukuthi ngibe nani le nto yembokodo sithando sami ngenhliziyo yami emhlophe kube mnandi nje kodwa mase kufika inkomo ufanele ngaphuthuma sheshe azokwazi ukuyikhipha. Mama yazi sisebenze 14 hours wonke singaphumula.
Hayi cha sikisi kodwa asithembe nje ukuthi leza impahla zakho zegazi awuyihlanganisanga nempahla ezilapha nebhasketini.
Awuyazi mama ngeke.
Yebo. Eno?
Oh. Cha-ke la sithando sami ngithe hayi impela ngoba imbokodo igule lokugcina impande nobukhona bethu singabantu bayinqala sisida namathi hayi angisondeze kowami lokho ngithi lokho okwakho.
Ifro yakho nabanye ubhema bakho laba nobayitholile.
Usanda sami yazi umuntu osenhlizweni kaJiwe Goza. Ngiyamtotosa nje ngimnikeze ngodwa namhlanje ngiqonde nawe ngqo. Totosa wena queen yami yase Alex.
Yini ke ngifuna ukuzibona.
Yabona ukuthi ngifathile. Sololo.
Ha. Jiwe khona.
Intofo. Wena masuyibamba intofo nje bese uyigqoka kanomtofozela kwayo mama uhambe uyenza ikhingo ngamnandi ngayo yabo. Awubonga baba siza.
Ngiyambonga kanjani nobaba swakhona ehleze engikhumbuza nje every 2 seconds ukuthi ayisuka wena uyabhoda wena. Uyabhoda straight.
It makes no sense. What's what? Kamu ngale munye. He had a lot of talent. He had everything to live for. Yanong kia. Kamu nna le wena. A dira le wena. Gore ngo sa bona gore go sengwe se se phoso kae. No, ke le ka fela go tlhaloga.
Well, it's simple, really. Our mom was jailed for killing Ntate Waruna, and Gamo was kidnapped, tortured, and shot by our blood uncle because of it. And finally, when he decided to escape it all and move back to London to start over, the love of his life dumped him. It doesn't get much worse than that.
Wewe mntana ufuna istudio esinjani?
Baba ngifuna istudio la ngizopendela khona ngenze nama installation wami khona. Yabona angifuni indawo enkulu kodwa.
Oh, si.
Happy Women's Day. Hey, waze wa late Mike, beyizolo, but then it's okay.
Hayi Mike, ke kgwedi ya basadi ena. mme tlo ba kgwedi ya basadi ho ya ho ile ena hape ke pati ya hao ke
Ntando uzongisiza ukumodlela ama-t-shirts amanisho nokwabhayisa.
Okay, watlonka di-pics tse ding.
Ntando ufuna ukuthi senze i-fashion parade.
Oh.
Okay, lena eyakho sepsep. Then wena Ntandos na yakho mfana he.
Mara mamusi. Kgolo haholo, tlamehile ba tight go no hlaisa di-muscles.
dimaselo tse feng ngwanaka
hayi wena wesithupa uzobe uthi ukudla nje uthi uqinisa kuphakame lapha mfowethu wami.
Then makhi lena eyakho ke.
Wa mo first skip, moholo for ba modeler.
ke tla o tidinya wena
Manje usana nje ukuthi bazohamba nje bamodele.
Yeah, na angisho phela bengifuna ukuthi kube nomjita in the mix yabona. Yeah, intwana yakho is very affordable. Unless mangabe wena baba ufuna ukufaka i-t-shirt now uyoba open up lapha eshipini.
Mameshana mina ufuna ngishawo umabasa ngeke lizohola idlozi lami ngenza naye ngezento.
Thank you, Katler. Kamogelo ba go motsamaisa ka moso, then we follow.
Please do not make me drive Linda, Likone, and Uncle Muwahi. I have had enough of those two to last a lifetime.
They're not that bad. And besides, sometimes driving with the elders can be calming.
Moroka's mourn heir after tragic incident. Family asks for privacy. That's it? That's how you choose to honor my child?
We agreed to release a statement. It's not like it mentions him committing suicide.
Yeah, well, it just sounds like a statement about some stranger.
You can't give any details, Mom.
Yeah, well, at least it could have sounded like he cares. You know, that he's heartbroken, that he's gonna miss Gamo. This is just a PR exercise. Have you even warned him? Ukirwa mullela Gamo? Or you're just saving that for when the cameras are around?
Inkosi. Kuncedile ubona umama, yazi. And bendikhalela uba abuye nami ngapha kodwa uwiki for uba atravelishe.
Ngcaba uzoba nini?
Angiqinisekanga. Andikathethi noKate kodwa izaba seRustenburg.
Lalela bese uma ukuthi ufuna umuntu ozohamba naye wazi ukuthi mina.
Andi.
Lulu, but you have to say goodbye.
And your family.
Lo muntu ushonele ezandleni zakho. Fuza ukuthi lokho kusho likhulu kabi.
Akufanelekanga. Ibe nemini mnandi.
Lisbon statement isakhuluma. I mean, it was just so impersonal. You know, order everything is okay, business as usual. Go Triple M. Doesn't even own the company anymore. But you know, it's as if into a khatalang fela ke saving face. Yeah. Kamo ke moagi le lekone. Ba fitlile mona ba etsang mona. They could have just stayed in Rustenburg, you know? Sorry, man, it's just so frustrating, you know. People I really, really don't want to see. But busy banjo sa gore ke acte jwang, ke buele mang, ke skare eng le mang. It's too much.
Because of one name here.
Mare, it's okay. O kana bua ke re teng mona. We're not here to judge you. Just get it off your chest.
Yes, Tando. Thanks, Sissy. I'm so sorry, man.
Wa itse gore Lulu a ka se kgone go tla tirong for a while for obvious reasons. So go ra gore wena o tlile go mo thusa ka tiro ya gagwe.
Of course, Mtsamkhali.
Ke tsa gore o ile wa bona statement sa batho ba ga Moroka mo iqiniso.
Gongwe a go kala sepe se sekalo.
Waiting ba village go ya gore ba tle ka kganye ena pele. Mme ke a bona e kete ga ba batle go tswa ka the whole story. So go ra gore ke rona re tlile go tswa ka sona.
You mean?
Re tlile go bolela lefatshe le lotlhe le gore ke suicide.
No offense, sir. But that's very private stuff.
Batho ba ga Moroka, they are a public family. The public e batla di details. Ke ka mo lefatshe le bereka ka teng wa rona.
Re ka se quote Lulu.
Why not? Ona le teng ane kganyena e diragale. Wa rona. competition ya rona e ko ntle kwale e batlana le dikarabo e se kgale mongwe wa bone o tlile go botsa a cop kgotsa a coroner motho o ene gore ke ene o tsamaisang funeral ena and they'll scoop us
gongwe fela
ke a ronete lulu ke ne ke itšele ka re o ka se tlefa sorry come
she ya go fitlha ka bo 6 then rona re tla tshwanela ke go tsaya kamogelo re mo ise to his final resting place
bagolo ba tla ba re emetse ka kwa
Wait, selo se ke bogatlapa fela se se diragetseng se.
Rangwane, please, this is not the time.
Gongwe na sa ikelela go dira se. Gongwe ga a bala dipidisi tse sentle se.
Siyabonga sisi. Mr. Moroka.
Yes, guys.
Bantu abadala. Sithe sivele nathi sizothi nje hayi balwehlanga lo ngehlanga.
Yeah, siyaxolisa kakhulu ngokunivelela.
Thank you. I'm sure you've met. Ke Motswala Moagi, ke Rale Kone, Rangwane, ke Vili Sam, ba re direla ko Triple M.
Yebo. Bantu abadala asina amazwi okuchaza ukuthi kubuhlungu kangakanani lokho okwenzakalile. Kodwa kusezandleni zenkosi manje.
Hayi ukamoyena abandla beumngane oqotho kakhulu ezilungele. Yeah, sizomkhumbula nje kakhulu.
ya no le rona kgang e re mmakaditse
Hayi mekukuthi abantu abadala bahlele ukuthi kube khona mhlambe i-memorial service noma umlindelo khona la ayisikhona sosiza.
Hey, bona ga ro dira selo sa go tshwana le se.
unfortunately bagolo ba decidile gore e tla nna ela funeral ko Rustenburg.
Yeah, the family is in Kichomi.
This is a difficult time for families, so please bear with us.
ntse go tsamaya yang ka mama gago
akaphilanga kodwa unosisi wakhe that takes good care of her.
o tla intshwarela
Ungawari. Ikhona ifoto ingekho. There's no getting away from Ukam. You know, I see him everywhere and ndicinga ngaye constantly.
go tla siama
Abaninzi bayatsho.
o tlile go tsamaya leng go ya Rustenburg
Andifuni ucaphukisa uMoroka.
scampel ba go ngatile ka kgang ya gore ke setso to hell with those Moroccas.
He's right. Lorena told me where to find you. I am so glad you're back.
Nkosi. Uyamazi Mr. Mogale? Ngukatlego lo usisikaka.
Tau Mogale.
Very formal way to see the girl who threw up all over you.
Ke ne ke sa akanye gore o tla nkgopola.
Impossible not to. He and Auntie Karabo would come with loads of sweets whenever they'd come to visit, and it made me sick every time.
A ke re wena no pateletsa go dikatela tsotlhe all at once mo leganeng. Last time I saw you, you were small, very small. With a big attitude, though.
Thank you.
My condolences. I mean, losing a brother must be...
It's been rough. I barely survived the weekend without you. You have to come to the funeral. Please.
Well, Rangwane le Moagi ba tswile to do last-minute things for Haritsa Makamoso, so you don't have to keep hiding in your room.
No, I'm gonna take a long bath and get ready for dinner. Look out for those photos. Oh dear, sis. Thanks.
How are you holding up?
I'm fine.
Try again. Wale bala hore ke a o tshepa, Khumo, and ke a bona hore you're struggling.
It doesn't matter. Ke Khumo Morokana. I'm strong. I'll take charge and make sure things happen. I can't afford to let things fall apart.
Then eba Khumo Moroka. Nna ke tla ba Fikile Maponya, your best friend. Ke a tshepisa Khumo hore ke mona haebe wa ntlhoka.
Haka khona go kry-a ope to back the story. Fela ke girlfriend. So, batho ba tla se reka.
Moroka commits suicide.
I figured his passing isn't news, so straight to the point.
Let's say khona le kgetlo le leng yana. No se wa gage. Ke o ke a kgwela mo ditlhakong tsa ka.
Oh.
E bile gore no ka ona o na tlhabilwe ke ditlhong a ba sia. Ka mo ene a sala a kolomakana le tlhagaraganyana eo. Ene o na le yalo itse. O na rata go tlhokomela ausi wa gagwe. Fela ya kana a tlhokomela ke ya Lelolo.
That's a nice story, Mr. M.
That's how I want to remember him. Kill the story.
Ing?
We're not running it.
Please, Timer. Ke tlhoka di-photo for portfolio ya ka ya modeling.
Kanti khanda kusebenza kanjani? Ufuna ukutshiroza ngathi sikhuka sasemakhaya. Yini okupolifu khona zami kumchaza indawo mfana.
Ya ne, ba le Timer ya leZulu ke Spani.
Baby, me?
Yo. What the hell, ne?
Kabuhlungu kabi yabona makule 2 for 1 special yami yama-cocktails. Iyahamba she. Babizile abantu ayifuni.
Dumela. Chomi batho ba dina kopa cocktail.
Oh, Chomi. Hi, ithole laphana kuma-waitress, okay?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sure.
Le nna ka re ke tla itshwara ka one nyana mo.
Hayi pinki so ngithole isiphiya.
Omblele go ntse go baega jwang we?
Hayi khamba kahle kuhlafuna nje wentshebe Mr. Mogale.
Ne. Matawa awusho mfethiswela. Uye wathi uyithola i-offer yami for i-lunch.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's quite generous.
Sine deal.
Angazibalishi ngiyabona abantu ngathi bephelelwa isinto. Asuqale phela umcimbi.
Oh yeah, bibi yazokuqinisile Nkosi yami. That's right.
Bantu benkosini bahle njani ubheke nibahle kanjani? Cha hayi, asesinikeza undlebe nangumama athi qapho.
Ngiyathembisa ukuthi ngeke ngize ngibe mude, okay?
Oh,
ngasuka wena wathi. Athi ngiqale nginibonge nonke for ukuthi nizwakale yiso. Nizo celebrate nathi nizothi ukushiya le mali yenu lana enitheshelede imali yonke esizoyenza lapha namhlanje izoya straight le ku women's shelter. Niyangithola? Women's Day. Kunjalo ke bakithi asini ukuphakamisa ama-glass ethu. To imbokodo. Yazi zala eMzansi. Ngisho ogogo babo abamasha indlela ende eyale eUnion Buildings ngo-1956.
To imbokodo ezizimbokodo ngobukhulu bazo imbokodo eziflawa sesizulwini kuyimbokodo zethu sona walibona kuJafete angeke ngisho nje ntigcwala umlomo ukuthi angiyilutho ngale phandle kwale mbokodo la iduze kwami uLucy Dilayile imbokodo yenhliziyo yami imbokodo yonke
Mmeo ha o baite o le mong. So ke nna enwa.
Oh, bengicinga uba ubusempumalanga.
Ai, ke mo managementeng jwale. Ke khona go nka di-off. Lulu, o kae fela?
Andiyazi yazi malume. Ndiziva ndibuthathaka. Ingathi ndiyaphupha, ingathi ndim lo uswelekileyo. Hayi yena.
Ke a go gopola. Ko wena o le wa lezamazama. Kana ka mo o kile a dira story ka wena.
Ke tlo tla go kopana le bagolo ba ha Moroka.
Re go thusa yang Mzamani?
Ke mo go representa family ya ka e ko Matatiele. Ga e khone go tla. Re kopa ka boikokobetso gore Lula Mali ena a ye ko Rustenburg go attend the funeral.
Zaman, ke se ka sona seo. O batla go mpolelela gore ga gona melao ya setso ko Matatiele ko tswa.
Ke ka moo ke itseng ka boikokobetso. Nnete ke gore mora lona o shwetse matsogong a hae. Ba ne ba dula mmogo
kgatlhanong le tumelano ya rona. Kana bana ba ne ba sa nyala ba.
Re ka se kgone go a kgatlhanong le setso le ngwao tsa rona.
Moradi wa rona ha expect go treatiwa jaaka makoti kapo anything.
Go siame go le yalo ka gonne ga se makoti ga se sepe. Yana Matatiele ya go tshamokela kwa ana o nne le kgakala le rona.
I'm so sorry.
Haina msebenzi. Zohamba nawe uye Rustenburg.
Mara mfananyana wa gagona o berekile mnate man.
Awu into abereka mnandi umfana ayikho into abenza ubambe ejaqula nje ejukuzela ngathi umuntu wesimama.
Yeka manga nsiki. Medium. Hayi, baby girl imnikeza extra large lo letha la. Awuphulithanda kabi ipapa la kanzunzo.
Wabona into enayo le is good for Lucy girl.
Ya, mina kezwakala lokho kubekayo Mr. Mukhala kodwa izoganga umunye umhlathi maduzane nje ngoba phela uzoqala ukuthatha lento yakhe yokugula bese kuyashintsha akasakwazi ukuthi ayigcine kanje. Ingakho ke bengicela ukuthi ngibe nezwi nawe like man to man. Baba Mkhana bengicela la amdayisele uLusi lento yakhe elodge hayi kwamanje.
for sure.